Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard
for. You got the real deal.
All I want to do is run through them songs.
Yeah, let's do that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's start with No Weapon.
Yeah, let's do it.
Formed against me shall prosper. It won't work.
I know.
Yeah. No. So that's right. You gotta get on the tempo.
Okay, get on the tempo.
So. Against me. That's right there.
There's no weapon formed against me. There's no weapon.
Sorry, yeah, so. That's right there.
Okay.
There's no weapon.
Keep okay.
Against.
Okay. So yeah, so it's. Let me see what it was real quick.
Okay, yes, yeah.
Now.
Against me shall prosper. It won't work. There's no weapon against me shall prosper. It won't work. There's no weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work. There's no weapon formed.
Okay, I went too quick.
Yeah, that's right. So.
There's no weapon.
Okay.
There's no.
That's your first two notes right there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna count you in. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you come in on 3. So 1, 2, 3.
There's no.
That's it.
Okay.
There's no.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3.
There's no weapon.
Change.
Against
Change.
shall prosper. It won't.
So in that part, then you just hold it a little bit. So basically, you're changing on the chords with me. So 1, 2, 3.
There's no weapon formed against me
There you go.
shall prosper.
Change.
It won't.
So in that part,
Against me shall prosper. It won't work out.
that's a little quicker.
It won't work out.
So that part right there.
It won't work out.
Yeah.
It won't.
It won't work out.
It won't work out.
That's it. Let's do it again. Right there.
It won't.
Okay.
It won't work out.
Good. So let's get that second note. It won't. Let's those two notes.
It won't. It won't work out.
Right. It won't work. Nice and light. It won't work out.
It won't work.
Okay.
It won't.
Okay, I see. I know what the issue is. I ain't got enough resonance
Right.
in that area, but
Yeah.
but that's good though
That's good.
to help scratch.
Right. It won't work out.
It won't.
Okay.
It won't.
Whew.
So try this. Try to lift your eyebrows.
It.
Yeah.
It won't work out.
Okay.
It.
I'm trying to hear that second note in there.
It won't.
Okay, I didn't.
It
So let's get the it first.
won't.
So go. It's in the mix. That's what it is. Let's try it on this. So do it like this, and then we'll go back to the words.
Okay. Okay.
Now I want you to feel where that is. Okay, so we'll go back to the words. Try it again. Keep it strong. One more time. Now just pay attention to what you did, right? Now just add the words. It won't work out.
It won't work out.
That's it. See what I'm saying?
It won't work out.
Right.
Okay.
You see?
Okay.
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 All right. So, there's no boom, and then we'll go to that part. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
There's no weapon formed against me shall prosper.
Now,
It won't work out.
there's no. It goes right back into it.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
There's no weapon
There you go.
formed against me
Yeah.
shall prosper.
There you go. Take a breath. Now,
It won't work out. There's no weapon formed against me shall prosper.
one more.
It won't work out. There's no weapon formed against me shall prosper.
One more.
It won't work out. There's no weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work out. There's no weapon formed against me
There you go.
shall prosper. It won't work out. There's no weapon formed against me shall prosper. It won't work out. There's no weapon formed against me
Wait. Now.
shall prosper.
Now.
There's no weapon formed against me
Yeah.
Okay.
It won't work out. It won't work out.
Yeah, that won't.
It won't.
So, yeah,
It
right there. That's the resonance right there. Yeah. Yeah.
So I hear the keys. I just gotta.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yo, I'm in the right zone.
Yeah.
Hearing the keys.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's real.
That's why it's very important.
That's
right
real.
here.
That's real. That's real. So
Right.
what's the next one you gonna run?
Ron, I want to play with that Whitney Houston, "Share My Life," but in my keys though.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yeah.
Let me see what key they got in here real quick.
I just running with my keys, man.
All right, let's go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4.
share my life.
On the beat.
Take me for what
Right.
I am.
Still on the beat.
I will never change.
Now, all my colors. See, ba 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 ba.
All my colors.
Do it again.
For you.
All my colors.
All my colors.
Yes.
For you.
Right.
All my colors for you.
Right. All my colors for you.
All my colors for you.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Cause see, those words have to fit in before the next beat drop.
Gotcha. So this is what I want to say to you
Uh-huh.
before we get on this next sound on the session. I definitely understand the concept of everything we're doing.
Right.
And this is something I was lacking, and this is why it's great that we're doing these songs.
Right.
You know, coming from my perspective, because just like you said, I'm kind of conquering the tone now, hearing the tone.
Right,
But
right.
this is something else I gotta conquer, understand in between how to change up and roll on.
Exactly.
Because I'm keeping everything at the same pace. And all this right here gonna do is help me with more style too.
Exactly.
I just want to bring that to you.
Exactly. So every song has a beat.
Okay.
So what the beat is the steady pulse in music.
Okay.
So it's as much like our heartbeat. So
Okay.
when we run fast, you know what I mean, our heart speeds up, right?
Okay.
When we're walking at a slow pace, our heart is at a consistent beat. So
Okay.
the beat is the foundation of music. Every song that we listen to or sung has a beat.
Has a beat.
Our beat helps us stay in time.
So let me ask you this: what is the purpose of? Okay, now I understand it. So when you change up, like I'm having trouble at that trouble spot, why did the singer do that?
Well, for one, so that the song won't be so mundane.
Okay.
So like for example, take my life, ba. See, there's another rhythm. So
Okay.
instead of doing take my life, ba, it begins to sound robotic.
Okay.
So then they put other rhythms
Okay.
so that it can add, like we talk about, style.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
nobody wants to hear, like for example, we were just doing, even when Mary Had a Little Lamb. Mary had a little. See that it
Yeah,
changed.
yeah, got
See what I'm saying?